Hello, I'm Matthew Norwood, and I'm going to be explaining the significance of the spotted horse within As I Lay Dying and its importance to the characters Jewel and Darrell. And it basically, I'm just going to be explaining its importance in their character development specifically. Well, first, the horse, it basically represented Addie as their mother, and when Jewel was confronted with this, he he basically put all of his frustration onto it. He was screaming at it, saying "God damn you," on pages 95, 96, and 99, to kind of place his frustration on his own mother dying. Um, but it also gives us as the reader to see how Jewel deals with stressful and or emotional situations, which is, it's not really the same as the other characters in the book. He tends to deal with it internally and not really talk about it with any of the characters, which is probably another reason why he doesn't really have another character, or not another character, another chapter explaining why he's frustrated. He just won't explain, which then furthers himself from the rest of his family. However, this is not really a negative way to deal with the situation, but because you can obviously tell that he did care for his mother, but in a way he should be more calm like the rest of the characters. However, Duel, or not Duel, Darrell, um, he kind of goes about it the other way. He thinks about it. He, when him and Vardaman were talking about whether their mom was a horse or Jewel's mom was a horse or a fish, I felt as if Darrell was questioning the reality of the situation at that time, in which it kind of it kind of leads him to become insane towards the end of the book. Um, in which he was basically just questioning why, if his mother died then she isn't alive now. Basically, basically explaining, am I even here? Is my family even here? He's basically asking that question, and I think throughout the book, after this point, he was basically thinking about this, or at least had it in the back of his thoughts, which gradually led him into insanity, into leading him into burning down the barn and later being sent to an insane asylum. So yeah, this is what I think about the symbol of the horse and how it affected those two characters.